I know you guys probably came to this video thinking that it was going to be like strict, this is what you have to do to grow your hair out type of thing, but that ain't what it's about to be. What's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Casey, and if you are new, take a second, go down below, hit that subscribe button and click that little bell button so you don't miss when I upload a new video. So before I even start this video, I want to say that yes, I do have my hair in a little puff. You guys are probably looking like, how the hell did she do that? I actually just finished filming my review for the Mono's hair curl collection, and I used that to get my hair like this. So I'll be posting that video in a few days once I finish editing it, so you guys will see exactly how I got my hair like this. You guys will see my thoughts on the products and everything, so just stay tuned for that. Needless to say, I thought this would be a perfect time to do a little hair growth update, hair growth tips, hair growth products I've been using type of video. Most of the products that I've been using haven't changed, but some of my methods of hair growth, I guess you could say, have changed. So I wanted to just update you guys and tell you the tea. So just to give you guys some background on my hair, I've cut my hair like 20 times in my life, to be honest with you. My most recent big chop, I guess you could say, was in April of 2018. So pretty much all of 2018, I was maintaining that shortcut. I was cutting my hair almost every 2 weeks, keeping it short, like not trying to grow it at all. At one point, I even had waves. Like, I was wearing a do-rag and I just had flat hair, like no type of curl pattern, no type of pullage. Like, it was just flat to my head. The last time I actually cut my hair was in December of 2018. That was the last time that I actually got like my hair shaved, like, and like the sides were short and just the top had a tiny bit of curls, like not even like curls you can pull, but just like this big. So in December is when I actually decided that I wanted to grow my hair out. So I grew my hair out from December of 2018 all the way through until around March of 2019 this year. And I went to the barber just to kind of get a shape, because my hair was growing really fast, but it was growing like weirdly shaped. So I just kind of wanted to get a shape. But she ended up cutting my hair a lot. Like, it was really short and I was really upset about it because I was trying to grow up my hair. But needless to say, I guess you could say the last time I actually cut my hair, like no type of scissors since then, was in March when I went to the barber shop. And I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit about what I've done to get my hair to this length, because it has grown tremendously. Like, even when I look back at pictures, I'm kind of shocked at how much length I kind of have now. And just to give you guys like a heads up, I am going to be cutting my hair one more time. Not cutting, but just kind of getting it into a shape again, because when I went to the barber in March to get it shaped, she didn't shape it correctly. It just kind of looked crazy. So it's been growing crazy and I just have different lengths all over my head. So I'm going back to Hair Color Killer, or Kara, who I went to get my first cut that I did last year in 2018. The one who did the really short cut with the like auburn hair. I'm going back to her in November to have her just shape my hair up and possibly dye it. I'm not sure yet, but I'm pretty much just going to her to get my natural hair back into a shape that I want to grow it out in. That way, from that point forward, no more scissors, just straight growing my hair. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you know that I've been natural for about 6 years now, so I'm not new to being natural. It's just that I keep cutting my hair. So something a lot of people don't address when it comes to hair growth is that it is heavily determined by genetics. So if your parents' hair grows slow, sis, you got their DNA, your hair is probably not gonna grow fast. Me personally, I have hair very similar to my mom. She has high porosity hair. Her hair is pretty fine and pretty like low to medium density like mine is, not thick at all. But both of our hair tends to grow extremely fast. Like, I even notice it when I watch her hair grow. Like, her hair grows fast. My dad, I can't really say because he cuts his hair all the time, but I can definitely say a big part of the reason why my hair grows fast is because my mom's hair grows fast, and that's just being real. So the next thing, a lot of you guys have been following me for a while, so you know that previously I was taking the MICHE Organics hair growth gummies, and I freaking love them. Like, I literally took them for maybe a year and some change because they were amazing. Even when I was cutting my hair, I was still taking the gummies because it was keeping my hair healthy, and it was also keeping my nails pretty strong. And I was kind of just taking it like a multivitamin type of thing because it had other vitamins and minerals that I needed for like daily health. So I actually ran out of these gummies in like June of this year, 2019. So I was going to buy more because I like them so much, but I figured why not try a different one just to kind of see how they work, so I can give you guys some other options for hair growth pills if I like them. I heard really great things about the Main Choice Healthy Hair Vitamins, their Main Tabulous Plus. On the jar it says it helps the hair grow for longer, thicker, faster, complete nutrition, dietary supplements, blah 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 blah. These are actually one of the #1 selling hair growth vitamins on the market right now, so I was like, might as well try them. Like I said, I had stopped taking the MICHE pills in around June or July, and I wasn't taking any type of hair growth pills from that time period, so like June or July, all the way until the beginning of August. That's when I decided to try these. The reason why I didn't start taking them right after taking the MICHE ones was because I wanted to give my body some time to like get used to not having any supplement before I started a new one. And on top of that, I was kind of waiting for these to like go on some type of sale because they're not cheap. They are, I think, $25.99. Yeah, they're $25.99, and that covers you for 1 month because you take 2 of them a day. So basically, Sally's was having a sale in like August for buy one get one on all of the Main Choice products. So I was like, this is the perfect time for me to buy them. So I went ahead and just bought 4 because I got 4 for the price of 2. So starting in August, literally like August 5th, I want to say, is when I started taking these. And literally, guys, even you guys have noticed my hair, even just from August, has grown so much. Right now, I'm on my 3rd bottle because this is my August one, this is my September one. These are both empty. And now I'm on my October one, and it's almost empty because the month is like almost over. So after this month of October, I will have finished 3 jars of these. So the reason why I didn't want to tell you guys that I was taking them before was because I wanted to try them, see how I like them, see if it was worth telling anybody about. I wanted to see the side effects. I wanted to like gather all of my thoughts first. And I can honestly say, like, I haven't had any crazy side effects. If anything, my skin has been looking better. My nails have been stronger. I just recently broke one of my nails, but that was like my fault. I hit my thumb on something and it broke. But even you guys have seen on my Instagram stories, like, my nails were super strong. I also noticed that before, because I had very high porosity hair and my strands are very thin, so it does tend to break easily, like no matter what. Just with me detangling my hair or combing through my hair or anything, I tend to have a lot of shedding during my wash days. Since I've been taking these pills, you guys, I barely have any shedding. My hair is so strong. I'm not really sure if I can say that it makes my hair fuller or thicker because by nature, by genetics, my hair is very like low density. Not low density, but it's like low to medium density. So my hair is never just gonna be thick, but it is so much stronger, which helps my hair to retain its length, and it helps my hair to just maintain its elasticity, so I'm not losing hair, you know? It's already pretty fine and pretty thin. I'm not trying to lose extra strands. So I can honestly say I highly recommend these. I actually... So the other day, well, this was like a month ago or so, the Main Choice was having a sale on their website. Everything was 60% off. I was like, this is my chance to get hella pills. So I literally, you guys, don't judge me for this, I just think it was such a great deal, and because I love the pills so much, I had to do it. They have like a 12-month supply of pills that you can buy on their website. So you guys can see on the website, the 12-month supply is literally $285. So I bought the 12-month supply, and I also bought an overnight hair mask to try. So you guys can see on my invoice, I paid the price for the pills and the hair mask. With the 60% off, guys, it took off $181, and I only paid $121 for the 12-month supply and the hair mask. $121 for something that would typically cost almost $300 to me was like an amazing deal. So needless to say, I'll be taking these pills at least for the next year. Like, I'm that obsessed with them, and I think they're really gonna help me out with my hair growth journey. I highly recommend following the Main Choice on Instagram because they always post when they have sales, and it's really good to buy stuff like this in bulk on sale because you know you're going to use them, you know you're going to need them. You might as well spend a lot of money now so you'll save money for the future. Not saying you got to go out and buy a 12-month supply like I did, but you could at least get like 2 or 3 at a cheaper price. That way, you know, you're set for at least 2 to 3 months. So this has honestly been like the #1 thing that has helped my hair grow so much. This is my big secret. Something else as well that I've been doing that I don't do like routinely, like I don't really have a set time and day when I do it, but I have the Main Choice multivitamin scalp nourishing growth oil as well, and I just added a few drops of tea tree oil and peppermint oil to it just to help stimulate my scalp. And I apply this to my hair honestly not often. I would probably say like 2 to 3 times a week. Honestly, I do it on days where I'm not going anywhere or days where I'm not styling my hair because I like to just put it in my hair and not have to style my hair afterwards. Just kind of like massage it in and leave it as is. So if I'm going to be wearing like a hat or a scarf or something, then I'll just use this. I'll put it in my scalp, put it in my hair, massage it in, and leave it as is. Like no styling or anything. There's honestly not a specific product out there that's just going to make your hair grow. Like yes, there's oils and pills and stuff like that, but nothing in particular is going to just make your hair change. You know what I'm saying? You really have to listen to your hair, see what it likes, and see what works for you. This right here is probably the most like manipulative, is that a word? This is probably like, I guess you could say, the most manipulative hairstyle that I've done on my hair since I've been growing it out. Typically I really just wear wash and goes and keep it pushing, and since I've been taking these pills, like wash and goes haven't been too harsh on my hair. Like it doesn't break, even though I co-wash my hair almost every other day. Since I do co-wash my hair almost every day, I make sure that I use a really good product. This new Jamaican Black Castor Oil co-wash from As I Am is amazing. I love it because it has the Jamaican Black Castor Oil in it. It has vitamin E oil in it. It keeps my hair strong. It keeps my hair hydrated, but it still cleanses it when I need it to be. I also really like the Grow Wash from As I Am's Pomegranate and Honey collection. Is it pomegranate and honey or just pomegranate? I don't know, but y'all have seen me use that on my channel previously. I like that co-wash a lot too. As I Am in general has really good co-washes. Co-washes that actually feel safe enough to use daily or almost every day, whatever you choose to do. I only blow dried my hair 2 times this entire time since my hair has been short, and that was in order for me to get a wig, and then the other time was for me to get braids. Honestly, when it comes to trimming, you have to kind of play it by ear. I suggest getting a natural hair stylist that can actually cut your hair for you or let you know when you need a trim. There are tons of videos on the internet of people who trim their hair at home and do it themselves. I am not one of those people. I don't trust myself. I know that I'll be scissor happy, so I go to someone professional. Like I said, I'm literally going to Kara, who's in freaking Philadelphia, just to get my hair shaped up because I don't trust everybody on my hair, not even myself. So when it comes to hair trims, like everybody's different. I personally don't do my own trims. Honestly guys, like the styling videos that you guys see me do on my channel, those are not fake. Like those are things that I really do. Not like the special videos where I'm trying something new or I'm reviewing a product, but like videos where I'm doing a routine or videos where I'm literally doing my whole wash day or things like that. Those are products that really work for me and products that I really like. So for me to sit here and reiterate, you know, those products would be a waste of your time and my time. I'll try to link some really helpful videos that I've done, routine videos that may help you out down below. Other than that, guys, that's all I got for you. Hopefully this was helpful in any way. The main purpose of this video was to tell you guys that this is my hair growth secret. Like, these pills are the bomb. I'll make sure to link those down below as well. Don't forget to stay tuned for my Mono's hair review. I'll be posting that, like I said, in a few days. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, girl, if you haven't already. And hopefully I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.